Hello, art friends. Get those pencils ready. We're gonna draw a Zenomorph from Aliens. Okay, so we're gonna have the head about here, chesty here. We got a leg. We got a tail here. Some spikies back here. Arm coming down here, another arm here, leg, and the end of the arm. All right, now we're ready. So you keep drawing in pencil. I'm gonna draw it in marker so you can see it real good. So to start with, we're gonna come around like that. And then it's like we're gonna draw a great big jelly bean. And then it's gonna come down like that. Then we're gonna draw a line coming around here. And a line coming around like that. Kind of a V. And we're going to put some little curvy lines inside of that. We're going to draw a little line like so. And we're going to drop this one down just a bit. I'm going to draw a line coming around here. Like that. And then we're going to draw a line over here. Looks good. Then we're going to draw her icky teeth. Ooh. We're going to zigzag them. And we're going to draw another little line here, come down, and come around, up. And then there's like a little lip, chin. And then this comes back and down like so. And we have a little bit more something or other there. And there's her lip. Yeah. There we go. All right, then we got some lines in here for her neck. And then her shoulder starts here. Okay, then we've got the muscles on the top. Come down like that. So just a line like so. Then we've got her claws. She'd be a beast to manicure. Then they come back in there to the wrist. Then we have the forearm and the bicep. And then she's got a hole in her arm here. Then we're going to draw the chest. So the chest comes out of the neck area. And it just kind of comes around like that. And then it gets real skinny like that. And then we have some little lines. Like so on her chest. All right, let's draw this back part. So I have a little spiky coming out here. And another little spiky coming out here. And then she's got the back of her right here. And then her leg comes like that. And it goes around. And we have the knee. And then it comes up. We have the calf. It comes around. And then she's got her little toes alien parts. Put some lines in there. Then we have the tail. So the tail's gonna go behind here, continue, and it's got its little spike, little triangle on the end, and then it's got the and it kind of zigzags out. And then we've got some lines that kind of show you that it's a roundish thing. There we go. All right, now we've got the other arm that comes out here. Got a little bicep there. Then the elbow comes down across. And we've got the claws again. Comes up. Back. And we've got the bicep. And then there's a cutaway here. And then you see part of the leg coming through the cutaway, and it comes down like that, and it comes forward. And we've got her toes all around, and that comes back. Let's see, where was I? And then we've got a cutout or a little alien thing there, and then I think we're done.